Hello guys, how are you? Fine, sir. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the design thinking aspect in E-Vehicle. Okay, we are employing design thinking concept in the E-Vehicle. Design thinking in the sense empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. With that application, we are going to explain this E-Vehicle. Okay, who is giving the empathy of that?
Sir, let me give the empathy of this product, sir.
Okay.
So first of all, empathy means we are have to find the cause. Cause is nowadays combustion engines are giving more combustion engines and internal combustion engines, which we use petrol as a intake and then out is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and the unburned gases. It causes the so many causes, sir. So we are coming to the EV, sir. This EV is an next stage of the vehicle, sir, which uses a battery as a source and a motor as a transportation method. Which when the battery discharges, the battery will run, the motor runs, and the vehicle will start from there.
Next define as we said, nowadays pollution is more, so we use EV for future usage. In EV, only three things is main things compared to I.C Engines and EV. What are the three things means? Battery, motor, controller. If we have battery and controller, motor means we will make the engine to EV. If there are more different types of voltage or amps in the controllers, which purpose we require, we choose this controller. In this, we choose 24 volt controller and 24 volt BLDC motor. BLDC motor nothing but brushless DC motor. It operates and give more efficiency than compared to other motor. If the controllers they have more wires, when purpose of controller means when we give the throttle means it give the power to the motor and will brake. When we apply the brake means the power will cut off. When we give throttle, when we apply brake and give throttle means the vehicle will not run. So these are the advantage and these are the features of the EV.
Sir, this EV vehicles will be used with the motor is a hub motor, sir. Hub motor and lithium-ion battery and 48 voltage controller, 75 watts produce. Then throttle, cluster head and key points.
Okay.
In this electric vehicle, the battery is the main component. In the thermal conductivity of the battery is very useful and
Sir, as per prototype, this is made by our seniors and ourselves. And when we give the throttle, the supply goes to the battery, the motor. The power is taken from the battery. When the motor spins, the wheel is connected to the motor and the wheel spins. And advantages of EV compared to IC is does more comparatively more mileage. It gives comparatively more mileage, and it refers to the range. And like if IC engine gives 50 km per 100 rupees, it gives like 120 kilometers. And that's the advantage for EV. And another thing, conclusion will be temporary.
Aswin, can you compare the E-Vehicle with other vehicles using the ordinary fuels?
So, now in our next generation of EV is an hydrogen cell fuel cell vehicles, sir. In hydrogen cell, we are just now developing in that prototype, sir. But here we are looking some complete prototype, sir. Hydrogen cells uses a hydrogen as a fuel, but there is a major problem which is if there is any leakage or any problems in the combustion area, it blasts like an atomic bomb. But in the EV, it does not have any like that kind of blast. Only fire vehicles or smoke vehicles. That also can be controlled by using the different kinds of batteries. For example, lithium-ion battery, lead-acid battery, sodium-ion battery, like that kind of batteries are nowadays available, sir. Here we are using a lithium-ion battery, I think so. The prototype is a completed prototype. The working will be done by companies.
Okay, Gabriel, what will be the future of E-Vehicles?
So the futures of e-vehicles, nowadays most of the people are builds EV only. The future of the EV means it will goes compared to IC. Nowadays IC engines are more, sir. In future the EV also.
Okay, once I heard that in one particular road, E-vehicle got burned automatically. Why that kind of accidents happen?
So that kind of accidents means the controllers will not work properly, sir.
Okay.
Most of the controllers want to test many more times, sir. We will not test properly means it will make a short circuit and it will burns batteries.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.